The Reimo Sun Beach Canopy can be used on most VW campervans and caravans where a multi-rail is in situ and comes with a dual beading strip for both 5 and 8mm channels. Once the canopy is slid into place, erect the 2 extendable poles and insert the spike into the holes as shown. Attach a guide rope and secure. Then simply install the 2 fiberglass diagonal poles from corner to corner, securing in place using the ties. And you're going to tie them all and then just go around and secure anything really well. So this is the Reimo Palm Beach Canopy. It fits into this bag here. I'm not sure if I've said that right. Reimo Palm Beach 2. All of the links are going to be in the description. You can get them from eBay. They're affiliate links. If you want to buy one and you like it, then I'll get a little bit of commission for doing this video. So thank you. So I have just demonstrated this can be put up on your own. It's easier with 2, but I have figured out how to do it on my own. It can stay in the van. It is not something that goes on the side of the van permanently. So it slides into the guide on your camper van. So if you have a drive-away awning, it's the same one that you would use for that. So for weekends away, we would use just this canopy. For a longer week, we might take the drive-away awning and slide that in. The great thing about this, I am 6'1", and I struggle with most awnings because they're just too small and you're constantly ducking. But as you can see, perhaps I'll move you because you can't see from there. Hang on. Hang on. As you can see, literally there's plenty of space in here. So it's the full width of your guide and about, I think, 2.5 meters out. And it creates a lot of shade, but because of its height, all of the water will drain off it, and it's just ideal for tall people. The only downsides to this canopy would be that it is not permanently connected to your camper van, which means that you have to carry it in your camper van. Now I slot it down the side of my seat here, but otherwise, as I showed you, I've lost it now, it's quite a big bag. So it very much depends. If you want one that's permanently attached to your camper van, then you can't then have the guide for a drive-away awning. So if you have a drive-away awning and you want to use that, this is perfect canopy for the weekends away as an alternative. This is Velcro, so you can buy sides for it to make it a more contained environment. I can't think what it's called. 1, 2, 3. It goes into your 1, 2, 3. Can't think what it's called. What's it called, Dave? You're going to lift me. Come on. Yeah. Are you really? What do you mean? I'm going to put as demonstrated by Dave. Come on.
Like a dirty dancing deadlift.
You ready?
Let me check we've got it. Hang on. This might be quite funny. There you go.